If you could rock 3 kicks for the rest of your life, what 3 would they be? Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, my name is Nikki, and on this channel I share fashion and finance content. In today's video, I will be doing a Ask Me Anything content creator edition. Let's get right into it. The first question is, you play tennis or no? Now, I'm assuming you are asking this question because of the outfit that I actually was wearing when I actually post this Ask Me Anything. And no, I do not play any tennis. I actually got this tennis skirt and this jacket from Amazon, and I just be going on a little walk around the parks. I be walking and just trying to move my body and stuff like that, and I just thought that the skirt and the jacket was a really cute combo, so that's the reason why I actually wore this particular outfit. But nope, I do not play tennis. How do you stay consistent? Now, if you're talking about social media, I still feel like I'm not really that consistent, but what I do is I batch my content. Now, it depends on what platform I'm posting on. For Instagram, for instance, I do theme days that seem to work better for me, so that way I know what I'm posting every single day of the week that I'm actually posting. I know how many times I'm posting. And then when we're talking about YouTube, I know that I'm posting 2 times a week, and I know those video ideas that I'm also going to be posting ahead of time as well. Now, my blog is like my headquarters for all of the content that I'm going to be creating, and then I turn those blog posts into YouTube videos, and then those YouTube videos into smaller portion videos that get posted on my Instagram, TikTok, and Pinterest account, and also on my LTK, so that I can share the links to those outfits or whatever I'm sharing in that particular video. Next question, will you post fall outfits? I just recently posted a fall outfit ideas video. I will link that one down below. And I also did a fall wardrobe staple. So if you are unsure about what you should be having in your closet this fall, I will definitely link that video down below as well. Would you do a one-on-one in-person classes on how to edit, become a content creator? Now, I haven't really thought about this. I do get a lot of DMs on Instagram asking about content creation and things like that. So this is a really great question. It's an idea that I just haven't crossed my mind, but maybe I would definitely consider it, especially if you are in the Atlanta area. If you're looking to get started with content creation, maybe you don't know where to start, maybe you don't know how to monetize your content and things like that. Maybe I could just share some of the things that I have been doing and how I have grown my page and how I have monetized my content, and just share that with other people. Now, as far as the editing goes, I don't really feel like I'm big on editing. I don't do a whole lot of editing. I just use CapCut as my editing software. But definitely with the how to get started with content creation, this is something I'm definitely thinking about doing. Even if I just do like a workshop or a masterclass or an ebook or something like that, I'm definitely willing to help the girls that are wanting to get started, that just haven't started just yet. I'm definitely thinking about doing that. How do you order your coffee? I need to lose weight, but I love coffee. Now, I'm pretty much an iced coffee drinker. I love me a mocha frappe from McDonald's. I also love me a KMC iced latte from Kale Me Crazy. And then I also love me a Good Time Shake from Perk Coffee. Now, those are like 3 of my favorite places to go for a coffee. Absolutely love them. I wouldn't say that I'm drinking coffee to lose weight. They are definitely putting weight on me, if I'm being quite honest, but I just love me some coffee. Now I have kind of like backed off the coffee. I'm only drinking coffee once a week to kind of like try to, cut back on all of that caffeine and all of that sugar intake, for one, because that's what is putting the weight on me in places that I do not agree with. But definitely love those coffee shops and those places to get coffee. Do you save up for all of your sneakers? Kinda, sorta, but not really. So what I do is at the beginning of the year, I Google Jordan releases or sneaker releases of 2025 or the year that's, coming up. And I write down all of the sneakers that I potentially want to cop. I put the highest amount of that sneakers, usually in men's sizes, and I put the date that that sneaker is potentially supposed to be released. And within my budget, I actually just budget out the amounts that I need before the time that I actually need it. Now, I buy my sneakers just like everybody else. almost just really on the sneakers app. Now, when I go for the sneakers on the sneakers apps, a lot of times they are draws. So not all the time I'm able to get a W on the sneakers that I actually want. So that particular money actually just stays in the sneaker sinking fund that I actually have set aside. Now, sometimes I will, go and buy some other shoes, but majority of the time I just leave the money in there and just roll it over to the next pair of sneakers that I want to actually cop. And then a lot of times sneaker actually do shop drops, which no one is, aware of ahead of time. So that potentially I'm not budgeting for those sneakers, but sometimes I have enough money in that sneaker sinking fund where I can actually purchase those sneakers that drop at a time that I wasn't prepared to budget for, I'm able to cop them as well. So as long as there's money inside of that sneaker sinking fund and a sneaker, is potentially dropping or that I haven't really budgeted for, as long as it's money in that particular account, then I will get it. So kind of, sort of, but not really actually budgeting for all sneakers, because you did say all sneakers. So nope, I don't budget for all sneakers, but as long as there's money in that account, I will buy the ones that I do not budget for. Where are you from and what's your zodiac? So I'm from Atlanta and my zodiac is a Scorpio. What pieces do you have for the UNC Blues that just dropped? Now, I think you're talking about the First in Flight Jordan 1s. I haven't actually styled those just yet. Those are definitely still on my to-do list. In my mind, I'm thinking maybe a denim on denim look with a pop of color, because the shoe actually does have like a little bit of gold yellow in it. So I would think like a pop of color with a bag or a hat or something like that. So that's pretty much where I'm kind of more so leaning to. Denim on denim with the pop of color of that yellow to bring out in that shoe. How we looking on the house hunt? The house hunt is going very good. I'm actually supposed to close on the 29th. I actually found the place. I've already did my inspection. I did my appraisal. I've put my earnest money down. So the final step, I guess, is just to close. But I guess I'm not gonna say satisfied, but it won't hit me until I actually get the keys, because I'm just one of those people that I gotta wait until until I get them keys in my hand. That's when I know it's real. But the house hunting is still going on. Everything is still going well, and we're finally at the end. Would you ever open a sneaker clothing boutique? Now, I have had a activewear boutique that was called Glow Girl Glow Boutique, and it was an activewear for women who are achieving goals and glowing up. Basically, for those women that wanted to just get up and move their body, not necessarily just be in the gym, but they just wanted to walk in the park, that wanted to go to Pilates, they wanted to do those type of low to mid exercises. And I actually closed that when my personal brand started taking off. I did not have the time to kind of manage both, because I'm just one person and I was running all of these Instagram pages while also doing a debt-free journey page, while also trying to do a YouTube channel, while also trying to do my personal brand as well. And it was beginning to be overwhelming. And then my personal brand started picking up with the sneakers and fashion content that I kind of just put the activewear boutique on hold. Now, have I considered just doing something specifically for clothing and sneakers? I have thought about just doing everyday wear for my sneakers, or even just an accessory line for us hats, because I absolutely love hats, specifically trucker hats. So I have been thinking about just doing something like that, but I don't know. You'll have to just stay tuned to see exactly what I will be dropping or what I will be releasing, one day. I don't know. You still house shopping. So like I mentioned before, I'm almost at the end. So closing date is the 29th, and it still hasn't hit me until I actually get the keys and know that it's officially mine, I guess. But yes, the house shopping is still going on. I actually found the house, about to close on it on the 29th. And yeah, everything is just going wonderful at this moment. Do you enjoy shopping your closet or thrifting more? Now, I do enjoy shopping my closet. However, lately I've been at the thrift store more, and that's because a lot of my clothes, especially bottoms, jeans, is to be very specific, jeans, I have outgrew. I have put on this weight by drinking these mocha frappes and just eating unhealthy, y'all. I have gained a little bit of weight, and a lot of my clothing do not fit anymore. So when it comes to my bottoms, especially jeans, I like to thrift those because I can get those at a better, price point. And lately I have just been finding myself in the thrift store shopping for jeans, and I actually found 4 pairs of black jeans at the thrift store at a reasonable price, and a lot of them I got half off. So I will link that thrift haul video down below. What's the next sneaker you're excited about picking up? So the next sneaker I'm excited about picking up are the Jordan 1 Reimagined Black Toe, whatever. I don't know the exact name that it's called, but it's scheduled to drop on October 18th. I'm actually budgeting $17, $18 a week for it so that I can have enough money set aside for when it drop on the 18th. I will already have the money in my account waiting to be purchased the sneakers. Now, it's not a guarantee that I might actually get it. Like I said before, I'm going through the sneakers app, and sometimes I don't, get a W. Sometimes I'll take a L on it, and I would just leave that money in there for the next sneaker. Now, I don't have another sneaker after that one, but I really do really want that sneaker, and I'm just looking forward to copping that sneaker because, of course, I just love Jordan 1s. If you could rock 3 kicks for the rest of your life, what 3 would they be? I would definitely have to say the Jordan 1s. Y'all know I am a Jordan 1 fanatic. I love me some Jordan 1s. My favorite are the Jordan 1 Lost and Found, the Jordan 1 UNC Toe, and the Jordan 1 Lucky Green. So if I could rock 3 sneakers for the rest of my life, those would probably be the 3 that I would rock. So that is all of the questions that I got asked. Make sure you are following me over on Instagram so you can participate in the next Ask Me Anything that I share on my stories. And I will link everything that I have been mentioning in this video down below. And I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye.